how does the content writer works in the content creation hub as we're using this AI agent. I want to show you exactly how this works. So this is more for the content that already has been researched, or you're ready to write some points out in it, right? So there are two ways to go about doing it. First, within the dashboard you can see all the content that's in progress, or one thing you can do is just jump into the creation board. That's what it's made for. You can see all the possible content that's either backlog that hasn't been researched for, but you know that you're gonna just directly write into it, or what you're gonna do is just look for a content that's in progress, and let's try to just write some things around it. Again, that's not fully developed, so you might not get the best result possible, but here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a very good idea based on your previous content uh, on how you can write this particular content moving forward. So all I have to do for here is this. By the way, this is the content writer, and I'm gonna show you how it works. For now, all I have to do is just mention. So I'll do add content writer, and it will automatically find this. All I have to do is click on it. It will automatically read all the contents of the page. I can show you what's happening. So if I open it, it just opens up into this. As soon as I've mentioned it, it has started loading the page. It will also look into the platform, look for all the content that you've ever created, and then creates a draft for your YouTube video. Right, again, this is a template, so I haven't done a lot of work, but as you do, as you put in the hours actually writing out the scripts, or just put all of your previous data in, that's all you need to get this content writer to write exactly in your ways. And let's see what it has added for us. And there you go, it gives a fairly good timeline as well as what should be in these as an outline. So I hope this gives you an idea on how this content creation hub works. Right now it's in pre-order, and you can get this content creation hub for half the price, and including that, just for the pre-order, I am offering a 90-minute free call where we can set this content creation hub for your system, and you'll be ready to get started with creating your content within it. So yeah, go check the link in the description and get it for yourself.